Hello guys, welcome to my channel. What's popping? So I came across this and I laughed out loud. You know, when we talk about Nigerian women, some of you will think it's just capping. No, my darlings, there's Israel. Nigerian women know their game when it comes to both fashion and beauty. Let us talk about one of the beauty packages of women. Hair. The kind of hairs and hair products being imported into Nigeria will wow you. Listen, brothers and sisters, it is gonna be very hard to beat Nigerian women in synthetic hairs and other fashion or beauty products. That's why when you come to Nigeria and you enter the beauty sections of our markets, like the hair sections of our market and the hair product section of our market, you will be wowed. You will be amazed. If you enter markets in Nigeria, especially in Lagos, you will see hairs and they will be in different shades of weave-ons, wigs, already made hair extensions like French coils, Bohemian coils, boho braids, dancing coils, kinky, bunny, sasha locks, braids like jumbo braid, ultra, super braids, afro, etc. Then you will see naked weave-ons and wigs installations. Then you will see products being purchased by some foreign girls from other parts of African continent.
I don't understand why Nigerians, they are the only girlies with collection of crazy classy wigs, while us, even if we try to let them down, hata tukajaribu kupaka nini, bado nywele itakusimamia hivi kama mwenda wazimu. Can't we do better? Like Kenya hair vendors, please, we need bone streets. It's not this human hair grade 10A ama 12A mnaletea watu, but then you're lying to them that, oh, this is Bond Street. And let me tell you something. One thing I came to realize in Kenya, if you don't understand the terms of wigs, they're going to scam you. They're going to steal from you, starting from the inches. Most of the places unabaya nywele unapata, unabaya nywele ya 30 inches. Ukija ukishtukizia umebaya nywele ya 28 inches. Of which you know 30 inches is more expensive than 28 inches. So you end up paying for expensive wig, getting a less price of the same quality wig, but yenye imepatiana na inches tu kidogo. I just want to urge all Kenya vendors, wanywele, especially the wig vendors, please, we can do better. I know we can do better. Yes, that's all. Let's try and do better. Hizi nywele mnabeba, mnapelekea ma stylists. Nywele yenyewe si HD-less. Nywele yenyewe si Vietnam. Nywele yenyewe si bouncy. Nywele yenyewe si Rodo na hair, si virgin, si SSD. Si yani, lakini unataka wende msombe stylist umwambie jamani nataka ilale. And then when you don't get the picture that you brought, you don't get the kind of results, unaanza sasa kusema yule mtu ajue kwa nywele, does your hair cooperate? Does it?
Listen guys, it's not just girls. Men do come from other parts of Africa to come buy products in Nigeria. So they come to Nigeria mostly to get powerful products that are so beautiful. I do not care how much you sell these hairs in your nation. Just sell better hairs, okay? I also tell people that buying hair expensive doesn't mean that it is of higher quality. It depends on the vendor and their prices. You might get an expensive rubbish hair. But joke apart, Nigerian girls are good in hairs and hair products, and also the way they style them uniquely, the way they install those wigs. Like if you see it on them, you will be so amazed.
I hear the beat, it's in my chest, got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing, it's a love conquest. Oh, the melody, it's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just each beat of the drum. My spirit's unchained in the symphony of love. I am unafraid, yeah. It's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found in the music.
Here comes the twist. You mustn't buy bone straight hair and other expensive wigs. If you can afford them comfortably, why not? However, affording them doesn't mean you must buy them. There are so many beautiful hair products or hair extensions available. You mustn't wear bone straight to look good. Nah. Buy as you can afford and maintain it. Also, it is about choice. Choice matter here. There are people that have this money, but they don't go for these very expensive hairs. Buy as you can afford and maintain it. Take care of your hair extensions or wigs. Also, the product you use on them is important. How you style them, the kind of hair product you use on them is also very, very important here. You can also do other amazing styles like braiding. Just look good. Some of us are on dreadlocks. Just do whatever it is that you want to do, whatever it is that works for you. To me, fake hair or original, they are both synthetic. They are not your natural afro hair. Okay, so you call it fake because you bought it the price you actually budgeted for a higher quality synthetic hair. In the end, maintenance is important. I know some will say, oh, why don't you get comfortable on your natural and be proud of your God-given hair? Babes, we are proud of our God-given hair too. Many white people also install wigs. Many of them do. So it's not just only peculiar to Africans. I know most of you may not know, but that is the truth. We don't wear wigs all the time too. We braid our hair, which is majorly an African thing. And sometimes we cover our hair with other good products as well. By the way, let me ask you, if you wanted to be so natural, why apply body cream or lotion? Why do you wear clothing? Why do you wear shoes, both slippers and the rest of them? Why aren't you so proud of how God made you and bounce around naked? What I'm saying is, just look good. Just look appealing if you have the means. Overall, Nigerian women know they compete when it comes to fashion and beauty. With a package wella.
Nigerians are some of the best dressed men and women in the world. But do you know that Nigerian women spend 34 billion United States dollars to import fake hair from Brazil? Do you know? And do you know that that is bigger than the GDP, 1 year GDP of Rwanda, Burundi, South Sudan and Seychelles combined on fake hair only?
Una hear am so? Una hear am. And later some people will want to compare themselves with Nigerians. See, for many industries and companies all over the world, Nigeria is their market. We set the pace in many wonderful or positive things, including beauty and fashion. However, isn't there a way we can reduce this kind of importations? Why can't we manufacture most of these things here? In fact, buy made in Nigerian hair products. No one paid me to advertise, but let us be honest. There are so many made in Nigeria products that are being used daily here. So why the importation? We have Lush, we have Darling, we have Expression, Elan, Vino, Souls, Mediana, So Fine, a lot, Rosemary, SMP. There are many hair extensions and beauty products made in Nigeria. We need to recycle them here. We need to recycle the money here. If it is the synthetic hair that we do import, why don't we set up our own manufacturing companies and machines or equipment here? In all, please look beautiful if you can afford it.
Walking down the streets, feeling the breeze. In the sunshine state where dreams come with ease. Palm trees swaying with the ocean in view. This is the place where I always feel brand new. Sipping on a smoothie, chilling by the shore. Got my shades on, feeling like I can't be ignored. Sun-kissed skin, feeling so alive in the soft rap game. I strive to thrive. Waves crashing on the sand as I ride the vibe. Soft rap flowing, let the rhythm collide. I'm the king of this groove with the catchy hook. Got the ladies moving and the fellas shook. Down the boulevard with the top down low.